Now, let's get into the new program. Woo woo! For those of you who have not heard, Kimmi is doing coaching. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. So it started on the 1st of this month. We rolled out the program, and it's called the Notary Business Success Coaching Program. Okay. And it has been amazing. We are in week 2. Week 2 session is tomorrow. So let me tell you how the program works. Okay. And you can go back and watch some of the videos, and I'll take your questions here today about the program if you're new. So the program works like this. I have decided to give you all complete unlimited access to all of my training courses. That's the Notarize Like a Pro, the #1 rated video course out there to teach you how to notarize. Okay. Notarize Like a Pro, it's not that complicated. You also have access to the specialty general notary courses, also to the estate/trust package courses, ink fingerprinting, I-9, translation services. You have access to all of these courses, unlimited, and it's only $39.99 per month, right? So that's what I rolled out around the 1st of July. I got to thinking, I said, Kimmi, and people were crazy. They loved it. They loved it. Not crazy in a bad way, but like crazy, like excited, right? They were like, you mean I could watch all your videos, all your main training videos for $39.99? I said, yeah. And I'm not going to lie, for business purposes, I was like, oh, Kimmi, what did you just do? Then I decided, you know what? I said, I'm going to add more to the pie. I'm going to sweeten the pot. I'm going to offer weekly coaching. And why did I decide to do that? Because you can learn a lot in the training courses. Don't get me wrong. You know how I teach right here on YouTube. So it's the truth, right? But I decided I wanted to add the coaching piece to it because I'm really ready for you guys to go next level. I'm sick of all these training things with just how to market, how to use Canva, how to do this. No, I want you to know how to properly notarize. So the way it works is you have access to all of the training courses, right, for $39.99. Plus live weekly coaching sessions with me. Okay, not one-on-one. This is a group thing. This is group because for $39.99, there's no way I got to make money. Like I have to go out and stamp papers too. So I'm actually working as a notary. So anyway, though, so you have access to all the courses unlimited for $39.99. And then on top of that, we meet weekly. If you cannot meet weekly for some reason, whatever reason, you can go back and watch the replays. And then there's also a private chat. Oh, yeah, your girl did it. So when I rolled out this program, y'all, I had to take a lot of time to really think about it, what it was going to look like, what kind of commitment I can make to it. And the other piece of it is the private chat via GroupMe. So what happens with the chat is you can put your questions over there after you've watched something, one of the videos or something we talked about in class. And every week there'll be a training session coaching. So the first maybe 15 minutes will be actually teaching. And then after that, we'll go right into coaching and make sure we can start getting some of these businesses up and running. Most of you have your supplies. You're scared to death. You still don't know what to do. You still don't know how to notarize. You bought course after course and all this. You still don't know how to properly notarize a document. And that's where it all starts. You must have a great foundation. Most trainers kind of shy away from the training piece of it. They want to talk about the marketing and all of that. But I already know, and I've been consistent here for 4 years. You don't have a business if you don't know how to notarize. So I'm going to teach you how to notarize, and we're going to build our businesses together, which means, do I need a Google page? And we already know the answer to that. We're going to go over all of that. We're going to go over Canva. But first, we have to know how to properly notarize. So if you're still afraid, don't know how to notarize, I am here, Coach Kimmi in the flesh. All right, guys. So the last piece I was going to talk about with the training also, again, was back to the live chat part. So how that works is if you have a question, my preferred method for you is to put it there first, and I'll look it over. If I have to call you, I will. But if not, we're going to go basically using that chat feature. Why? Because each one teach one. As you're asking your question, somebody else has the same question. And they could be, everybody could be benefiting. So that's what this is, coaching. Okay, group coaching. All right. What questions do you have for me about the new program? Also, feel free to check out my Start Your Notary Business book. If you're just starting and don't know where to, what to do, that's an excellent resource for you. It's called Start Your Notary Business, and it's available for all 50 states, all 50. Your state, Alabama, California, Georgia, whatever state you're in, there is a book for your state. So everything I'm talking about is at notaryeducatorsllc.com. So now this job that they keep sending out, guys, they are sending it out for $85. It says there are no notarizations while in person. You are only walking the signage through a 30-page max e-sign home improvement loan application with the loan officer on the phone. I should ask them if they'll do it for $120. Oh, I really want $150. And it's for tonight at 5. I should ask them if they'll do it for $150, but I can't do it at 5. I could do it at 7. Yeah, I can't be there for 5 o'clock. I might respond in a minute. Let me finish my live while I think about what I want to put on these people. But let me think about it for a second, because they keep sending it out. And that happened last night really quick. They kept sending out a job last night. I know, right? It's already 5. Hey, Lynette, dear friend of mine, BFF in the house, always supporting. So anyway, I was telling you about the book, Start Your Notary Business for all 50 states. So what questions do you have? I know, right? I'm thinking $150. Since it's only just helping them walk through it, the loan officer is going to be on the phone. But see, here again, you got to be careful, because they'll say it's only this, and that might mean 2 hours. So I have a 6:30 is my hesitation. It said if you want to negotiate, I'll tell her I can do $150 and I could be there. It's 5 o'clock. I need that zip code. And don't forget, I'm in Atlanta. So what's the actual address? I'll send it out. Hold on. Let me message them. Well, I need to tell Jeff too first. They'll wait. Shoot. Okay, y'all, let's finish this. So what questions do you all have about the new program? What questions do you have about the Notary Business Success Program, which includes coaching with me live every week? And you're going to actually learn how to notarize. The reviews have already started coming in. When I have my session tomorrow, I'm going to ask the team to go ahead, the class to go ahead and put the reviews out, because they've been doing it anyway. And I was like, okay, they're loving it. So if you're in our Notary Educators Facebook group, which is completely free, people are already saying over there, hey, I'm in this training program with Kimmi, and I love it. So the best part about it, because I've gotten a little feedback from a couple of the people in the sessions, are couple things, is that you have access to all of the courses anyway. So you watch the course, bring your live questions either in the chat or weekly when we're doing our sessions, and we'll get you going and get that business started. So you have 2 parts to it, actually 3. You have the training sessions that are free. You have the live sessions with me, the training online courses, rather self-paced, which are included. And they are still available for sale if you only want to buy the course, because that was a question I had. Well, some people said, well, Kimmi, I don't really want to do monthly, meetings or whatever. And that's fine. The courses are still available. You can get them at your leisure, okay, individually. So I did want to put that out there, because, like, for those of you who don't know, I do Weight Watchers, and they have an option where you could just do the online, use the online feature, or you can actually attend meetings. So I prefer the meetings myself. Y'all know I like to talk. So anyway, I was just so excited. So the actual training sessions, just so you can know what it's going to consist of, is learning how to do copy certification. What supplies do you really need? Going over what is the role of a notary. So the July schedule is out, and that schedule, of course, will be going out monthly. So check out the July schedule. If you're not signed up, please feel free to join us. Hit the like button on behalf of Frank. Frank, it's good to have you here. What questions do you all have about the program? What questions do you have about the new coaching program? Yeah, it's just time we started executing, and I'm ready to help you at this point. I didn't know how to do it before. I've been getting this question for years. Well, can you help me? Can you be my mentor? And I could not. I couldn't figure out how I could be of use and make the program work. And I figured it out. I have figured it out. I have cracked the code, as they say. Okay, any questions for me? If not, I'm going to look for you at notaryeducatorsllc.com so you can join the program. Okay, there is no expiration. You can join when you want. Our next session is tomorrow night, which is Wednesday. So if you can't make that though, again, you can always catch the replay. The replays are going to be in the library. Okay. Well, until next time, guys, I'm going to go see about this job because I'm kind of interested. I kind of am. I'm kind of interested. So I'm going to go, Lynette said, go get that money. I think I am. So guys, on behalf of Notary Life with Kimmi, Notary Educators, and my new coaching program, check it out at notaryeducatorsllc.com. I'm going to say have a great evening, guys. Bye.